Today's recipe is roti. I'm going to show you how to make soft homemade roti, which will go great with your favourite curry. Welcome back to Recipes by Zoo. First, we're going to add the flour, oil and salt to the bowl and mix together. Give that a quick mix before adding the boiling water. Make sure to check out my top tips for making this roti later in this video. Mix together with a spoon as the dough will be very hot. Now you can mix together with your hands and knead the dough for a few minutes. The dough should have a medium soft texture. Once the dough has come together, coat in a little oil and cover. Set aside for 1 hour. To make the roti, we're going to use a tawa. This is a type of frying pan used to make roti. On medium heat, heat the tawa. To make the ghee, put some butter in a small metal container and warm that on the tawa. Once the ghee is bubbling with white milk solids on the surface of the ghee, take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now we're going to roll out the rotis ready to put on the tawa. Put some flour in a shallow container ready to use. Uncover the dough and put a little oil on your hands and knead the dough for 30 seconds. To make the dough balls, tear off small pieces of dough about the size of half of your palm of your hand. Make a ball shape, flatten and dip both sides into the flour. Shake off any excess flour before rolling out the dough. Dip the dough into the flour as required whilst rolling out the dough to ensure your dough does not become sticky. Slowly roll out the dough. Roll a couple times, turn the roti with your hand and roll out again, and repeat this process to get a nice shaped roti and also the same level of thickness around the roti. The roti shouldn't be too thin. The full recipe, including all the measurements of each ingredient that you're going to need, is in the description box below. Now place the roti on the tawa. Once you can see bubbles are forming, flip over. After 10-15 seconds, flip over the roti again. Within 45 seconds, the roti will be cooked. The roti cooks very fast, so you need to continuously be turning the roti every 10-15 seconds. When it's done, take it straight off. If you leave it on for too long, it might become burnt and hard. Brown spots should appear on either side of the roti. After each roti is done, spread ghee on it and put it in an airtight container. Some top tips for making roti. Flip frequently to ensure the roti cooks evenly and it doesn't become hard or burnt. Heat is very important when cooking roti. Make sure the tawa is heated on a medium heat and is hot before you start cooking the roti. To ensure a nice soft dough and soft roti, make sure to measure out the ingredients accurately and knead the dough until nice and smooth. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.